Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Friday, September the 18th, and time flies. Or does it? That's right, it's here. It is the Apple Watch Series 6 that Apple announced earlier in the week. And as you can tell, I've already opened it because it's a pretty boring box. It's got Apple's typical pull tabs. That being said, this is definitely the thinnest box I've seen an Apple Watch coming yet. But let's take a look. That's all there is to it. It's a cardboard box, 2 pieces of foam, and then the actual Apple Watch box itself. And this is going to be the blue Series 6 44mm that we're going to take a look at here. As soon as I find the pull tab for the shrink wrap, there it is. As always, you gotta love Apple's packaging design sometimes because it makes things very, very easy to open up most of the time. There we go. Alright. And now, the fun moment. Realizing that there's actually still more tabs to pull. That's right, these don't just slide off anymore. No. That would be easy. And less exciting. There we go. Oh, that's right. These are those crazy little fold boxes now that Apple's kind of started rolling out on everything ever since the Design by Apple in California book, which, to be fair, I think does look pretty good. Look at that. You got a nice little look at all the different possible combinations of the Series 6. Let's go ahead and crack it open. So here is the box for the watch. And again, there's no power adapter in here this time. And the Royale Blue sport band that I'll never use because I don't like this band. And I have a Milanese one already, so we'll probably stick with that. Maybe pick up a Solo in a day or two. Let me move some of the stuff out of the way, and we'll take a look at the watch itself. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the box. And so, here it is. You have your documentation on this side here, which is, you know, your typical quick start guide and about what you would expect from Apple these days. Probably no stickers. If there are, oh well, I got like a million of those. You do still get the magnetic hockey puck to charge it, just no USB brick. But I have like a million of those at this point, so I really didn't want another one, so I'm fine with there not being yet another one. And then here we have the watch itself. Let's go ahead and push this out and take a look. So, that is a very nice dark blue. That is exactly what I was hoping for. There's the new revised backside with the additional sensors for blood oxygen. One thing to note with this versus the SE, only this model does the EKG. So if you did want one of those, or ECG rather, you do have to get the Series 6. The SE doesn't have that sensor, which was an interesting touch. Let's go ahead and power it on, assuming this came with some charge. There you have it. That is the Apple Watch Series 6. Thanks for watching.